Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll show you if your windshield wipers, guys, do not work on your BMW E46, which is the 3 Series from 1998 to year 2006, which fuses to check, guys. You have 2 fuses that you need to check. Stay with us and we'll cover that. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this E46. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So let's go ahead and show you guys how it doesn't work now and where the fuses are. So we're going to plug the let's plug the key in. Let's put the key in, turn the ignition on. And we'll try. Check it out now. The wipers, they do not work at all. The washer system works, but the wipers do not. So we're going to go ahead, turn it off, and let's turn the ignition off now. We'll get the light on. So I'm going to show you where things are now. Open your glove box right here. You have 2 things that you need to spread out. Your fuse box will drop down. You have 1 row of fuses here, the other one on the bottom. You can see some of the fuse numbers on top printed, and the bottom ones with very small numbers are right here around that edge. Now, it could be, guys, because of 2 fuses, your wipers not to work. One of the fuses, guys, it's fuse number 49. It's this 5M fuse right here, fuse number 49. Grab the puller, go on top of the fuse, grab it like that and pull it out. This fuse is good. So, what is the other fuse now? The other fuse for the wipers, guys, is fuse number 59. Fuse number 59, guys. It will be this fuse right here. So this fuse, guys, is burnt. You can see the element inside is this. It's not a continuous piece, so it's burnt. We'll go ahead, get the replacement one. You can check in the description of the video below to see where we get our fuses from for a really good price. We'll go ahead, replace it now. Make sure you get it in. Just to make sure that I got it how it's supposed to, because you need to align everything. Perfect, went in super nice. Now we're going to go ahead, install that thing here, close it, and let's put the key in now. And see if it works now. Wipers work, guys, as you can see, like that. Perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.